Okay, I've mixed up the last of my concrete that I've got available here. What I want to do is put a bit of concrete, or mortar mix if you want to call it, up here on this beam right here. And we're going to set that piece of timber at the top of the wall. Now this is a really thin little bead of mortar. And then I'm going to shove a couple of tiles in there tomorrow when this is set. I'm going to get it in the back. It's just going to push off. Shove it some in there. Get a little bit on there. One more. Saw me digging stuff out of there a minute ago to get this thing in there, so I don't know if it's going to fit, but let's see if it'll go. Okay, let's try the other way. Oh. Okay, in there, snug. Chisel. Okay, now we got that another little artist tool. Just use whatever I got. Oh, big blob there. It's gonna be up in there good though. Just shove it in there. Oh man, it's all hitting the floor. I don't have much protection down there. Let me clean that up. But that's the idea.